Is 5Billionsales.com is legit or scam? Today we will review and then I will give my honest opinion. 5Billionsales.com 5Billionsales.com is a new company that is owned by a UK based holding company that operates 25 other platforms across the web. It is starting the new wave of digital businesses that will monetize the useful data of end users, and people will get benefit in terms of money. This revolutionary idea of business will take the power from the tech giants and give it to the ordinary people so that they can also get benefit from the revenue of the company. It will collect the useful data from user's device while user will be using internet and then sell it to the other companies who want to use this data for marketing or research purpose. This company got this idea after 12 years of experience with their existing platforms, which they have. 5Billionsales.com is bringing change to an internet-based industry that deserves to be changed. It will take the huge wealth from the tech giants and redistribute it fairly to the web's users as passive income and earnings. How much money you can get if this business model works? The 5Billionsales.com are ready to pay you as $400 for sign up and $100 to invite people to join 5 billion sales, and $5 for each user who join from level 2 to level 16. All you need is your smartphone or a tablet or laptop or desktop. You don't need high-end devices. Feature of this membership and how much you will get. Every member will get $400 per year for using daily internet service. There will be 16 level of members. Everyone will be top leader of his or her own group, and this level will be called level 0. After level 0, the next level will be level 1. You will get $100 yearly for each member you introduce or sponsor. They will be called your direct members. From level 2 to 16, you will get $5 for each members yearly. If you make only 2 members and then everyone makes 2 members up to level 16, then you will earn $655,940 per year or $54,661 per month. Let's discuss about this question. Is 5 billion sales legit or scam? So here is the top facts. Let's jump on the facts. Number 1 fact is registration process is very simple. You just need first name, last name, secret code which you will create, country name, city name, postal code, address and phone number. That's it. After providing this information, you can log in either using Facebook or Gmail. All this information is very common when we register to any social media or email platform. Second fact is 5 billion sales web page is everywhere on the web. 5 billion sales URL is on all search engines like Google, Yahoo and Bing, etc. This makes people to trust such websites. So a large number of visitors can see their websites and can understand their business functionality. Third fact is their web security. 5Billionsales.com is a secure website. They use HTTPS. They use the secure socket layer certificate on their websites, which will keep the visitors' information safe on the internet. The fourth fact is 5 billion sales interface design. The interface of 5Billionsales.com looks very pretty. It is very simple to use. There is no page size or resolution issue. Also, this website is mobile and PC friendly, so you can use your mobile phone, you can use your desktop, laptop, PC. Everywhere you will see the perfect display. Deposit or registration fee. Scam companies most of the time ask to deposit money to make money. This company is not asking a single penny to register. And membership is free for life, as it has been told so far. Credit card information act. Scam companies ask most of the time to add the credit card information, but this company never asks about credit card information. Bank account information. Scam companies most of time request to enter your bank information to transfer money in your account. While this company already said they will transfer money to users through e-transfer or PayPal or through digital currency USDT, etc., which is quite safe. Primary IDs or date of birth information. Scam companies most of time ask your primary IDs like driving license or date of birth, but this company does not ask this information so far. Presence in the web and social media. This company is everywhere on the web and social media, which increases people trust. Finally, I would like to say that 5Billionsales.com will monetize the users' valuable data. It means they will share users' data with other companies, and in return they will get paid. And whatever money they will receive, out of this money they will pay to their members. This is the great way to benefit the end users. This is the revolutionary thinking in the world of internet. All search engines, internet browsers and social media platforms collect our data when we are on internet and sell this data to those companies. They are eager to buy this data. For us, this raw data is useless, but after filter and cleaning, this data is like a gold mine for these companies. That is how these big giants make a lot of money after selling our day-to-day internet surfing data, but we don't get anything out of this money, except that we use their browsers, search engines or social media free. So here is my conclusion. My personal opinion is that the business idea of this company is very brilliant. This company is not asking us for anything that would make us feel that this is fake or a scam, etc. Rather, it is making us a partner in its profits. This is the first time I have ever seen such a wonderful idea. If we work together and spread this great idea, then it will not take longer for this business plan to succeed. At this point of time, after evaluating and doing some research, I found myself safe to work with this company, and for me there is no reason to miss this great opportunity. Now it's up to you. If you have same feeling like me and you feel safe and satisfied, then do not miss this opportunity. If you really like my video and want to join 5Billionsales.com team, kindly click my link in the description to join my team. Please like or subscribe my channel. Good luck.